Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Predicting future health, organ age biomarkers foretell disease risk decades early. Our organs age at different rates, and a blood test determining how much they've each aged could predict the risk of conditions like lung cancer and heart disease decades later, finds a new study led by University College London, UCL, researchers. The findings, published in the Lancet Digital Health, show how accelerated aging in specific organs can predict not only diseases affecting that organ, but diseases across the rest of the body as well. Lead author Professor Mika Kivimaki, UCL Faculty of Brain Sciences, said, "Our organs function as an integrated system, but they can age at different rates. Aging in particular organs can contribute to numerous aging-related diseases, so it's important for us to take care of all aspects of our health. We found that a quick and easy blood test can identify whether a specific organ is aging faster than expected. In years to come, blood tests like this could play a crucial role in preventing numerous diseases." The researchers analyzed blood samples collected from over 6,200 middle-aged adults to determine the biological age of 9 organs: heart, blood vessels, liver, immune system, pancreas, kidneys, lungs, intestines, and the brain, and for the entire body. They measured the gap between a person's chronological, actual age and the assessed biological age of each of their organs as determined by markers of aging specific to that organ, finding that organs often aged at different rates in the same person. Follow-up data reveals that accelerated organ aging predicted the risk of 30 different diseases over the next 20 years in initially healthy people. The researchers found that kidney health was particularly linked to other organs, as people with accelerated kidney aging were more likely to later develop vascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and liver diseases, while biological aging of nearly all organs predicted increased risk of kidney disease. The researchers say that as our organs function in close coordination, accelerated aging in one organ can impair the function of others, which may explain why people with a rapidly aging organ were particularly prone to experiencing multiple age-related diseases across different organs. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest update.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.